night is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. We could rent a room and watch the stars dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea. With you right by my side, it's such a sweet life. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. Nowhere else to be. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. Nowhere else to be. Escape this time with me.
I feel the liquor holding on to my breath, playing back every word that I said. I'm sitting in the dark, reminiscing on the two of us. I didn't think you'd leave, baby, I guess I was just thinking that wasn't my best. We had everything, it was gone before the summer started. Got the memory of a love filling my lonely nights. Still think about you from time to time. I'm not asking you to come over, just wanna hit your line, baby, one more time. So tomorrow in the morning, can I call you when the sun comes up? Just to hear the way you say my name, it reminds me of what it was. Would you answer if I called you? Yeah, I know that sun comes up, just to hear the way you say my name. It reminds me of when it was us. Would you answer if I called you? Yeah, I know that it's been a while. So tomorrow, can I call you when the sun comes up? Call you when the sun comes up. Staring at the ceiling, so vivid and clear. I don't need a crowd, I got your company. It's something that you do to me, you take me over. I'm stuck on your view and your clarity. Come around to me, and now that you're here, why don't you stay a while? You always give me a reason when I don't understand the signs. Oh, I'm loving the freedom you're bringing to me. Won't you stay a while? No, it ain't always easy, I know you can push me to the line, but you make it worth it. Oh, you're worth it to me. It's something that you do to me, you take me over. I'm stuck on your view and your clarity. Come around to me, and now that you're here, why don't you stay a while? You always give me a reason when I don't understand the sign. Oh, I'm loving the freedom you're bringing to me. Won't you stay a while? You know I'm not getting over this. Every time I feel alive, you're on my mind. I've been waiting a long time for you to come around to me, and now that you're here, why don't you stay a while? What is your name? I've got to know. Your body's overwhelming. It's like a Broadway show. And don't be hasty, pretty mama, I can't let you down. Ooh, you got your bags packed. That's when I gotta get you back. I guess it takes a while to trust me. You would know that better than the rest. But if you're looking for some company, I can pass all of your tests. Don't be hasty, pretty mama, I can't let you down. Ooh, you got your bags back. That's when I got your back. I know that I can win,